Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best baby gear is probably one of the most exciting yet overwhelming purchases new parents will make, filled with countless options and endless advice, making it incredibly difficult to navigate the world of baby essentials and determine what's truly necessary for your little one's arrival and what's just a cute but ultimately useless addition to your nursery. Number 5. Miss Mouth's Messy Eater Stain Treater Spray. Life with little ones is full of messes. But don't worry, we have the perfect solution to keep your fabrics looking like new. This powerful spray is designed to tackle even the most stubborn stains. From food spills to grease, it works wonders on various fabrics. It's safe for everyday laundry and delicate items, ensuring your baby's essentials and your clothes stay pristine without harsh chemicals. Simply spray, let it sit, and wash as usual. It's an effortless way to remove tough stains like coffee, food, and grease. No more dry cleaning hassles for everyday spills. Keep your family's clothes looking their best with this essential stain remover. What we like? Dealing with inevitable baby messes? This spray tackles food, grease, and more right off laundry. If you're a parent tired of stubborn stains on clothes and fabrics, this is your go-to solution. It offers a quick and effective way to keep baby's wardrobe looking fresh without extra hassle. What people say? The design is very practical and easy to clean. The material is soft and durable, perfect for baby's sensitive skin. It has multiple compartments, making it convenient for organizing baby essentials. Number 4. Frida Baby 3-Step Cradle Cap System. Dealing with cradle cap can be frustrating for both you and your baby. Introducing a simple solution designed to gently clear away flakes. This is the 3-step system that makes tackling cradle cap easy. It's designed for your baby's delicate skin. First, use the soft sponge to gently loosen the flakes. This prepares the scalp for the next steps. Next, the gentle brush helps to lift and remove the loosened flakes. It's designed to be effective yet mild. Finally, the comb helps to remove any remaining flakes and smooth the scalp. This completes the clearing process. Everything you need is included, even a handy storage stand. Keep your baby's scalp healthy and clear with this complete system. What we like? Struggling with cradle cap? This system provides a gentle yet effective 3-step approach to clear flakes. If you're looking for a comprehensive solution to soothe your baby's scalp and remove dry skin, this set is designed for you. It makes a potentially frustrating issue much more manageable. What people say? The brush and comb are gentle and soft themselves. Quality is great and worked great. Very easy to wash off. The system itself is simple and easy to use, and it definitely helped lift and remove flakes without being too harsh on my baby's scalp. The sponge is like a gentle masseuse for the baby's head. It's so soft, the exfoliation is not aggressive, and it feels like a spa day for the scalp. The brush is a game changer. It's like a magic wand that banishes flakes with each stroke. The soft bristles work their charm, and my baby's hair has never looked smoother. The comb is the final touch of finesse. The precision of the comb ensures that every last flake is evicted from my baby's head. Number 3. Frida Baby 3-in-1 Nose, Nail Plus Ear Picker. Meet the ultimate grooming tool for your little one. It's designed to safely and effectively clean your baby's delicate nose, ears, and nails. Easily remove stubborn boogers without causing discomfort. Keep their nasal passages clear for easier breathing. Safely tackle ear wax buildup. This tool provides a gentle way to keep their ears clean and healthy. Trim tiny fingernails with precision and ease. Avoid accidental nicks and keep their nails neat. From the makers of the trusted Nose Frida Snot Sucker, this 3-in-1 tool is a must-have for every parent. It simplifies your baby's grooming routine. Ensure your baby stays clean and comfortable with this versatile gadget. It's the simple solution for everyday baby care needs. What we like? Need to clean tiny noses, nails, and ears safely? This tool offers a convenient all-in-one solution. If you prioritize safety and ease when tending to your baby's hygiene needs, this is an excellent choice. It simplifies the process of keeping your little one comfortable and clean. What people say? It combines multiple functions into one compact design, which means I don't have to keep track of several different tools. The silicone tips are flexible but still sturdy, and they feel gentle enough to use with confidence on delicate areas. Each tip clearly serves a purpose, whether it's for nose, ears, or other little cleanups, and the built-in stoppers add an extra layer of reassurance. The quality is solid, everything cleans easily, and the storage case makes it perfect for tossing into a diaper bag or keeping organized at home. The design is safe and easy to use, and having 3 functions in one tool saves me a lot of time. The materials feel high quality, and it's easy to clean after each use. It's very versatile and makes it easy to get out boogers. Little thing does it all. It has an amazing value for the money. We use it almost daily. It gets earwax out of our baby's ear. It gets boogers out of his nose. It cleans out the nasty stuff that gets underneath his fingernails. Number 2. Aveeno Baby Mommy and Me Gift Set. Introducing the Aveeno Baby Mommy and Me Gift Set, a perfect collection for both baby and mom. This set is designed to make bath time a soothing and enjoyable experience for everyone. The set includes a gentle wash and shampoo specifically formulated for your baby's delicate skin. It cleanses effectively while being mild and tear-free. Create a tranquil atmosphere with the calming bath soak. It uses the goodness of colloidal oatmeal to soothe and relax your little one. Keep your baby's skin soft and hydrated with the daily moisturizing lotion. Its rich formula locks in moisture for healthy-looking skin all day long. This gift set also includes a stress relief body wash for mom. It's a perfect way to unwind and enjoy a moment of calm for yourself. Everything you need for a complete and comforting bath time routine is right here. It's the ideal gift for new parents or a special treat for your own family. What we like? Looking for a luxurious and complete bath time experience? This set offers everything for baby's bath and even includes a stress relief wash for mom. If you enjoy creating a relaxing and pampering routine for both you and your baby, this gift set is perfect. It's ideal for creating special bonding moments. What people say. They are very gentle on her skin and never cause tears, which makes bath time so much easier and enjoyable. The products are gentle on my baby's sensitive skin and leave it soft and moisturized. I love that it comes with everything needed for daily care, and the quality is excellent. The soap cleans without drying and leaves the skin calm, even on sensitive areas. The lotion absorbs quickly, keeps the skin hydrated for hours, and helps a lot with dryness and small rashes. Number 1. Little Remedies New Baby Essentials Kit. Introducing the Little Remedies New Baby Essentials Kit. It's designed to help new parents manage common baby symptoms right from home. This kit tackles stuffy noses and upset tummies with safe and effective solutions. It includes everything you need to keep your little one comfortable. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This collection of newborn essentials is a must-have for any new parent. It ensures they're prepared for anything. We prioritize your baby's well-being. All items are free from harsh ingredients like aspirin, ibuprofen, saccharin, and artificial dyes. From diaper rash to nasal congestion, this kit has you covered. It includes saline spray, gas relief, gripe water, and more for comprehensive care. Help your baby feel their best from day one. This essentials kit provides peace of mind for every little challenge. What we like? Want to be prepared for common baby ailments right from the start? This kit includes essential remedies for noses, tummies, and rashes, all free from harsh chemicals. If you're a new parent seeking peace of mind and a convenient way to address your newborn's needs, this is a must-have. It ensures you have the basics covered for your little one's comfort. What people say. The kit includes everything you need for common infant discomforts: saline nasal spray, diaper rash cream, gas relief drops, and more. The saline spray is gentle and effective for clearing stuffy noses, which has been a lifesaver during cold season. The diaper rash cream works quickly and creates a protective barrier that really helps prevent and heal irritation. The gas relief drops have been particularly helpful during those uncomfortable tummy troubles. They work fast and provide noticeable relief. Having all these essentials in one kit means you're prepared for the most common baby health issues right from the start. It takes the guesswork out of what products to buy and gives peace of mind knowing you have trusted remedies on hand. The items are very helpful to have on hand, especially during those first few months. I also love that the sizes are convenient for travel. They're easy to pack in a diaper bag or suitcase. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.